Integrations in general is super important for our clients, and we're deeply integrated with Brightcove, and integrations is turning into a very, very important thing for our clients. So to have the right integrations in place with partners like Brightcove, like others like Geospace, and is super crucial. And we do different platforms together, so we enable for the clients to make money on HTML5, Flash, iOS, etc. And that's starting to become really, really crucial for our clients, obviously, since the market is turning into multi-platform world. So really, really interesting. And that's also why the market has been growing very much for us in general. And we as a company has been growing along with that. So we open up a lot of new offices. Now we have 8 offices in 7 different markets. Among them it's in Bangkok and Cologne and so on. So that's really interesting, and the reason for that is that our inventory and the ads served has grown with 120% year on year. So it's definitely happening now, and the shift from traditional TV, from the traditional broadcasting rules is going to another direction, which is the new TV, where we have different rules for advertising, and we're trying to help out as much as possible there. A lot of our clients, they see the possibility with live shows and simulcast and similar. 2017, 70% of all the internet traffic will be video, and the big driver of that is obviously live transmissions with sports, news, live shows and so on. And it's still pretty complex to do these things. You have to do a customized solution for clients, and one example of that could be Scottish TV in Scotland. We partnered up with Geospace, and also did together with them a customized solution for them to do simulcast. And you see now that the border between traditional TV and new TV is blurred now. So what traditional TV has been doing for several years, 50 years maybe, that's coming into the new TV now with all the challenges. And it is challenging to do the live TV thing. You have to do exactly the same workflow for sales operations, sales teams and so on, like you do with ordinary video sales. And it should be the same kind of ad operations as well, so when you book campaigns and so on, it shouldn't be different from anything else. You have the capacity thing. You have 100,000 maybe simultaneous people watching an ad, so that puts pressure on us and the servers and so on. And then you have challenges with the ad breaks and the timing of that, the length of them, duration and so on. So all these challenges is we're turning into opportunities for our clients, and they can really start to monetize that. And also these ad decisions made per viewer, per individual person in the live stream as well. On top of that, different devices. So it's a complex world, and really, really exciting to be there and help our clients to do that. One other trend in the business is, of course, the targeted ads delivered through programmatic and data and all that. That's been a buzzword for a long time, and we're really seeing that happening, even though it's not really taking off yet. And programmatic buying is definitely going to be in the future. So we're making sure that our clients really will have the technology and they can stay in control and do the things that they want to do with their data, with their content, with their ads and so on. So that's really, really a big trend. Another trend is the fact that the business has grown so much, and it's so important now to do things right. And also, if you have the right technology providers, you can actually try things. So trial and error. Also the big companies, the big broadcasters, they're doing lots of trial and errors. So for instance, it could be A and B testing. How many ads should I have in front of a video clip? We have examples of clients removing all the pre-rolls, just having mid-rolls, for instance. That's really exciting and actually worked very well for them. And you can work with different ad formats and try them out, how the drop-off rates and the completion rates, all these things is now a hot topic, and people are actually doing this. And we support it, of course, as much as we can, because that will, in the end, increase the user experience. So it's not only about adding extra revenues, it's also about keeping the people, it should still be interesting. So that's really, really important for us as well. Multi-platform is something we talked a lot about a few years ago. Now it's really, really taking off, and we see that over 40% of our total ads served is actually non-PC traffic. And out of that, 20% or 50%, I would say, is actually tablets and mobile. And tablets are actually growing beyond mobile. And that's adding extra complexity, and since we solved that for clients like 2 years ago, now they really start to monetize it for real. And they can try different things, different ad formats and different ways to monetize it as much as they can. And that's really, really a game changer in the industry, I would say.